For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of humanity's most powerful windows into the cosmos. Launched in 1990, Hubble was originally designed to peer deep into the universe, beyond the Milky Way, capturing distant galaxies, nebulae, and the faint afterglow of cosmic history. Yet over time, it became something more. Against all expectations, Hubble evolved into one of the most valuable tools for studying our own solar system, revealing worlds we thought we already understood, and exposing mysteries we never anticipated. Our solar system is vast, complex, and surprisingly underexplored. While robotic missions have visited a handful of planets and moons, many worlds remain beyond the reach of dedicated spacecraft. Distance, cost, and technical limitations make frequent missions impossible. This is where Hubble's extraordinary optics have played a crucial role. Orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, free from distortion, Hubble has delivered crystal-clear images and data that bridge the gap between fleeting flybys and complete ignorance. Despite its immense power, Hubble is not designed for every task. One of its limitations becomes clear when observing objects with a large apparent size in the sky. Earth's moon, for example, is simply too large for Hubble to capture in a single frame. Instead, high-resolution lunar mapping has been carried out by specialized missions such as NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which circles the moon at close range. Yet even here, Hubble has contributed in unexpected and ingenious ways. One of Hubble's most creative experiments occurred in 2012 during the rare transit of Venus across the face of the Sun. Rather than observing Venus directly, scientists turned the Moon into a giant natural mirror. As sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the lunar surface, and returned to Hubble's instruments, researchers were able to analyze how that light had been altered. The results were groundbreaking. The data confirmed the presence of carbon dioxide and other atmospheric gases, validating techniques that would later become essential in the study of exoplanets. This experiment marked a turning point. It demonstrated that astronomers could analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds by studying how starlight filters through them during transits. Today, this very method is used to probe exoplanets orbiting distant stars, searching for chemical signatures associated with habitability, and potentially even life. What began as a clever workaround using the Moon became a cornerstone of modern planetary science. While the Moon challenges Hubble's field of view, Mars is nearly a perfect target. From its vantage point in low Earth orbit, Hubble can capture the entire Martian disk in a single image, something that orbiters around Mars cannot easily achieve due to their close proximity and narrow observational windows. Over the years, Hubble has built a long-term visual record of the red planet, allowing scientists to study seasonal changes, polar ice growth and retreat, and massive dust storms that reshape the planet's climate. One of Hubble's most iconic Martian observations occurred in 2001, when a colossal dust storm erupted and rapidly expanded until it engulfed the entire planet. The surface vanished beneath a thick, orange haze, transforming Mars into a near-featureless sphere. Such global storms are rare but immensely powerful, dramatically altering atmospheric temperatures and wind patterns. Understanding these events is critical, especially as future missions, and eventually human explorers, will need accurate models to survive and operate on the planet. Hubble has also tracked Phobos, the larger of Mars's 2 small moons. Phobos orbits Mars at an astonishingly close distance, completing a full revolution in just over 7.5 hours. This rapid orbit is a consequence of its proximity to the planet and sets the stage for its eventual fate. Gravitational interactions are slowly pulling Phobos inward. Over tens of millions of years, it may either crash into Mars or be torn apart, forming a ring system around the planet. By monitoring Phobos, astronomers gain rare insight into the long-term evolution of moons and planetary systems. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system. These objects are survivors from a failed planet-forming process, frozen in time yet constantly evolving through collisions and solar radiation. Hubble has played a pivotal role in uncovering the true nature of these bodies, revealing that many are far stranger, and far more fragile, than once believed. One particularly puzzling object observed by Hubble was asteroid 6478 Gault, which appeared to grow comet-like tails. At first, astronomers were baffled. Asteroids are not supposed to behave like comets. Further investigation revealed that the phenomenon was likely caused by the Europa effect, a subtle but powerful force in which uneven solar heating alters an asteroid's rotation. Over time, this effect can cause an asteroid to spin faster and faster until loose material is flung into space. This discovery reinforced a growing realization. Many asteroids are not solid chunks of rock, but rubble piles, collections of debris loosely held together by weak gravity. Such bodies are highly sensitive to even minor forces. A small increase in rotation or a slight collision can dramatically reshape them, shedding material and changing their trajectories. Hubble captured another astonishing event in 2010 when it observed an object initially classified as a comet, designated P-2010A2. Unlike typical comets, this object showed no signs of ice sublimation. Instead, Hubble revealed an intricate X-shaped debris pattern near its core. The explanation was extraordinary. Astronomers concluded they were witnessing the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. The impact sent debris flying in all directions, some escaping into space while the rest formed a slowly expanding trail. Such collisions are exceedingly rare to observe in real time, yet they offer invaluable insight into the violent history of the solar system. Over billions of years, impacts like this one have shaped planets, moons, and even life on Earth. Hubble's ability to capture these fleeting moments has transformed theoretical models into observable reality. Moving farther outward, Jupiter dominates the solar system like a gravitational giant. Often described as the solar system's vacuum cleaner, Jupiter's immense mass influences the paths of countless asteroids and comets. Its gravity can fling objects outward, redirect them, or capture them entirely. In fact, Jupiter contains more than twice the mass of all other planets combined, accounting for the overwhelming majority of non-solar mass in the system. One of the most dramatic demonstrations of Jupiter's power occurred in the 1990s with comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. After being captured by Jupiter's gravity, the comet was torn apart into more than 20 fragments. In 1994, these fragments plunged into Jupiter's atmosphere at speeds exceeding 60 kilometers per second. Hubble watched as enormous fireballs erupted, rising thousands of kilometers above the cloud tops. Temperatures reached an estimated 23,000 Kelvin, hotter than the surface of the Sun. One impact scar alone grew to nearly the size of Earth, and the total energy released was equivalent to millions of megatons of TNT. This unprecedented event provided scientists with a rare opportunity to study large-scale impacts in real time. It also underscored Jupiter's role as a cosmic shield. By absorbing or deflecting potentially dangerous objects, Jupiter significantly reduces the number of catastrophic impacts that might otherwise strike Earth. Hubble has also revealed the breathtaking intensity of Jupiter's auroras. Unlike Earth's auroras, which appear sporadically during solar storms, Jupiter's auroras are nearly constant and vastly more powerful. Fueled by both the solar wind and Jupiter's intense magnetic field, these glowing ovals encircle the planet's poles. Coordinated observations with the Juno spacecraft showed that Jupiter's radiation belts and internal processes play a major role in powering these displays, creating the most energetic auroras in the solar system. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa has emerged as one of the most compelling targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Beneath its icy shell lies a vast subsurface ocean, kept liquid by tidal heating. Hubble has detected water vapor plumes erupting from Europa's surface, suggesting that material from this hidden ocean may be reaching space. Spectroscopic analysis has also identified sodium chloride, the same salt found in Earth's oceans, on Europa's surface. These findings hint that Europa's ocean may closely resemble Earth's in composition. If energy sources and chemical gradients exist beneath the ice, the Moon could potentially support microbial life. Europa stands as one of the most promising places beyond Earth to answer the age-old question, are we alone? Since the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft. Yet Hubble continues to monitor the ringed giant, tracking seasonal changes, atmospheric storms, and subtle shifts in its iconic rings. Farther still, Hubble remains one of the few instruments capable of studying Uranus and Neptune in detail. These distant ice giants have not been visited since Voyager 2 flew past them in the 1980s. Hubble has revealed Uranus's dramatic seasonal transformations, as its extreme axial tilt causes decades-long changes in sunlight. It has also captured evolving storms on Neptune and even discovered its smallest known moon, Hippocamp, likely formed from debris left behind by an ancient collision. For more than 34 years, Hubble has consistently exceeded expectations. It has reshaped planetary science, revolutionized astrophysics, and laid the groundwork for the search for life beyond Earth. With proper maintenance, Hubble could continue operating into the 2040s, potentially complementing newer observatories and outlasting them in certain types of observations. Hubble's legacy is more than a collection of stunning images. It is a testament to human curiosity, persistence, and ingenuity. Each observation has reminded us that the universe is not static, not silent, and not fully understood. With every new discovery, Hubble proves that even familiar worlds can hold astonishing secrets, and that the quest for knowledge is far from over.